Hello everyone, welcome to the Kids Club. Today we're gonna dress up Elsa, Olaf and Anna from Disney Frozen. Let's decorate them in a Christmas style. Let's start with Queen Elsa. We use red Play-Doh for her dress and we decorate it with white Play-Doh. Let's make a belt with black and yellow Play-Doh. For Olaf we use red and white Play-Doh for his Christmas hat. Let's use red Play-Doh for Anna. White for the buttons. And green for the bottom of her dress. Now let's make a pair of red shoes. So fun! Okay guys, now you're ready for Christmas! Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Bye!